Creative metal building shop ideas transform space with a style personality. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. Tactics and workshop warriors. Today we are diving into the exciting world of metal building shop ideas. One of the key advantages of metal building shop is versatile. Instead of dedicating separate spaces for different activities, consider create a multi-purpose layout that allows you to work a variety of projects seamlessly. Divide your shop and design zones for woodworking, metalworking, storage, and assemble with a flexible workstation and tools so you can easily recognize and need it. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the like icon in this video, share to your friends and family members. Create a comfortable and conducive working environment in your metal building shop with a proper climate control measures, installing insulation and ventilation to regulate temperature and humidity levels year round, keeping your cooling system for added comfortable. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the like icon in this video, share to your friends and family members. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.